Welcome students. In this video lecture we start next point, that is centrifugal force. This centrifugal force is not real force. It is fictitious force or आभासी. fictitious म्हणजे आभासी फोर्स. सेंट्रिपेटल फोर्सच्या इक्वल आणि अपोजिट असा हा सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स असतो. सेंट्रिपेटल फोर्स इज नेसेसरी and it is directed towards the center along the radius and towards the center of circle, and centrifugal force is equal and opposite to the centripetal force. Centripetal force is necessary to perform circular motion. याच्या उलट centrifugal force is produced due to circular motion, that is due to accelerated motion. Circular motion is accelerated motion. Centripetal force is along the radius and directed towards the center of a circle. याच्या उलट centrifugal force is along the radius but directed away from the center of a circle, and thus centripetal force and centrifugal force are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, and therefore magnitude of centrifugal force is the same as the magnitude of centripetal force. Centripetal force आणि सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स यांचं मॅग्निट्यूड किंवा फॉर्म्युला सारखाच असतो, फक्त डायरेक्शन अपोजिट असते. आणि सेंट्रिपेटल फोर्स हा सर्क्युलर मोशन होण्यासाठी आवश्यक असतो. याच्या उलट सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स हा सर्क्युलर मोशनमुळे निर्माण झालेला असतो. टू अंडरस्टँड दिस centrifugal force, we consider one example that you all have experienced. Suppose you are sitting in the bus or any vehicle, and vehicle is taking a turn towards left. Then the passengers sitting in the vehicle experiences a force in outward direction. This force in outward direction exerted on the passengers which are in circular motion is the centrifugal force. Centrifugal force is produced in non-inertial frame of reference or accelerated frame of reference. जर एखादी बॉडी ॲक्सिलरेटेड मोशनमध्ये असेल तरच त्या ॲक्सिलरेटेड मोशनमध्ये हा आभासी फोर्स निर्माण होतो. सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स इज फिक्टिशियस फोर्स, दॅट इज नॉट रिअल फोर्स. म्हणजे प्रत्यक्षात तो फोर्स कुठल्याही नॉन फोर्सनी आपणाला मिळत नाही. म्हणजे ज्याप्रमाणे सेंट्रिपेटल फोर्स इज ए रिअल फोर्स and it is given by a known force. For example, gravitational force of attraction acts as a centripetal force in case of circular motion of earth around the sun or circular motion of moon around the earth. There is a known force, gravitational force, act as a centripetal force, but centrifugal force is not given by such any known real force, and therefore centrifugal force is a fictitious force किंवा आभासी force or not real force, but it is not imaginary force. प्रत्यक्षात तिथे फोर्स असतो, फक्त इमॅजिनरी असत नाही. म्हणजे आपण तो ॲक्सिलरेटेड मोशनमध्ये असणारी बॉडी तो फोर्स एक्सपिरियन्स करत असते. To understand centrifugal force, consider that you are sitting on a merry-go-round, and when merry-go-round is performing circular motion, uniform circular motion, which is accelerated motion, which is in accelerated frame of reference, you are in, or person is in accelerated frame of reference, then there is a centripetal force in case of circular motion, circular accelerated motion. There is a centripetal force, and due to accelerated motion equal and opposite centrifugal force. आता एखाद्या वस्तूवरती इक्वल अँड अपोजिट फोर्स ॲक्ट होत असेल तर रिझल्टंट फोर्स 0 होतो. म्हणजे एका ठराविक गतीने जात असताना जर मेरी गो राऊंडमध्ये यू आर रोटेटिंग बाय सिटिंग ऑन ए मेरी गो राऊंड, अँड इफ यू क्लोज युअर आईज, देन you will not experience that you are performing circular motion, but you feel that you are at rest due to centripetal and centrifugal force acting on you, which are equal and opposite to each other. And therefore, in order to explain that you are rest, you need to consider a force in magnitude to the resultant real force, that is centripetal force, equal in magnitude of centripetal force but opposite in direction, that is away from the center of circle. And this force equal in magnitude of centripetal force, that is m r omega square किंवा m omega square r, mass into centripetal acceleration, m omega square r, and there is positive sign because the direction of this centrifugal force is away from the center, that is same as the radius vector, same direction, therefore there is a positive sign. This force, centrifugal force, F is equal to therefore plus m omega square vector r, आणि सेंट्रिपेटल फोर्सचं सूत्र आहे मायनस m ओमेगा स्क्वेअर व्हेक्टर r, आणि सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स असतो प्लस m ओमेगा स्क्वेअर व्हेक्टर r. These two forces are thus equal and opposite, and as this is away from the center, called as a centrifugal force, and it is pseudo force arising due to centripetal acceleration of the frame of reference, that is accelerated frame of reference. Frame of reference, that is the place where the motion takes place. ज्या ठिकाणाहून मोशन घडून येत असते किंवा ज्या ठिकाणाहून एखादी व्यक्ती मोशन ऑब्झर्व करत असते त्या ठिकाणाला फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरन्स असे म्हणतात. आणि 2 प्रकारच्या फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरन्स आहेत. एक म्हणजे इनर्शियल फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरन्स, जस्ट लाईक अर्थ सरफेस. अर्थ सरफेस इज रोटेटिंग with uniform velocity, and this frame of reference which is moving with uniform velocity or at rest is the inertial frame of reference. आणि ह्याच्या उलट नॉन इनर्शियल फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरन्स, that is accelerated frame of reference, that is the place which is in accelerated motion, which is moving with some acceleration, that is नॉन इनर्शियल फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरन्स. आणि हा जो सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स आहे तो नॉन इनर्शियल फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरन्स किंवा ॲक्सिलरेटेड फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरन्समध्येच आपणाला अनुभवायला मिळतो. आणि म्हणून सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स हा न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ मोशन प्रमाणे मिळत नाही. न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशन आर व्हॅलिड ओनली इन inertial frame of reference, and this centrifugal force is in non-inertial frame of reference. This is example of merry-go-round, and when moving with some velocity, these children sitting on this merry-go-round and rotating feel outward pull due to the centrifugal force. These are some examples of centrifugal force which are of merry-go-round. Merry-go-round feels outward pull due to centrifugal force, and thus centrifugal force is a pseudo force, pseudo किंवा fictitious force. आपणाला डेफिनेशन सांगता येईल. The pseudo force experienced by a body due to its circular motion, which is along the radius and directed away from the center of the circle, is called as the centrifugal force. Centrifugal force is equal and opposite to the centripetal force, and magnitude of centrifugal force F is given by F is equal to mr omega square, or F is equal to mv square upon r. And in vector form, centrifugal force F is given by vector F is equal to plus m omega square vector r, and thus centrifugal force is not real force. It is not produced by any known force because it arises due to non-inertial frame of reference, that is accelerated frame of reference. Example of accelerated frame of reference किंवा centrifugal the fictitious force experienced in accelerated frame of reference, we consider the example of lift. If you are standing on a floor of lift and lift is at rest, or lift is moving with uniform velocity, then you feel that your actual weight, you feel like actual weight, and there is no increase or decrease of weight in inertial frame of reference. But if we consider example of accelerated frame of reference, that is at start when the lift is moving upward with increasing velocity, then you feel that your weight is also increased. And if you are standing on a weighing machine, then actual weighing machine shows the increase in your weight. This is due to the fictitious force created due to accelerated motion of the lift. On the other hand, if the lift is moving downward with increasing velocity, that is accelerated motion, you are in accelerated motion, then you feel that you are become light, that is your weight is decreased. And this increase or decrease, there is no actual change in your weight, but you feel like extra force is, you feel like weight is increased or decreased due to this fictitious force. And thus this centrifugal force is a fictitious force, pseudo force, आभासी force produced due to accelerated or non-inertial frame of reference. Then we consider some examples of centrifugal force. In non-inertial frame of reference, to apply Newton's law of motion, we have to consider a pseudo force like this centrifugal force. Then example first example I have tell, when a vehicle takes turn along a curved path, then the passengers sitting in the car experiences a push in outward direction. This is due to centrifugal force. Another example, in centrifuge machine, that is in dairy, in a cream separator, cream is separated from milk, the centrifuge machine is used. In that case, the particles suspended in the liquid are separated due to this centrifugal force. Or in spin dryer of washing machine, clothes are dried due to centrifugal force. Water droplets are pulled outward and the clothes gets dried due to this centrifugal force. Another example, building of earth at equator, सेंटरला अर्थचा भाग फुगीर झालेला असतो ड्यू टू सेंट्रीफ्युगल फोर्स. देन वी कन्सिडर difference between centripetal force and centrifugal force. First point is, centripetal force is force required to provide centripetal acceleration to perform uniform circular motion. ह्याच्या उलट centrifugal force is produced due to accelerated, that is due to circular motion, circular accelerated motion. त्याच्यानंतर डायरेक्शन सांगता येईल. सेंट्रिपेटल फोर्स इज डायरेक्टेड रॅडियली टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ सर्क्युलर पाथ, तर सेंट्रीफ्युगल फोर्स इज डायरेक्टेड रॅडियली अवे फ्रॉम सेंटर ऑफ सर्क्युलर पाथ. सेंट्रिपेटल फोर्स इज रियल फोर्स and centrifugal force is pseudo force. Centripetal force is in inertial frame of reference. Centrifugal force is in non-inertial or accelerated frame of reference. Formula for centripetal force in vector form, vector F is equal to minus m omega square vector r. Formula for centrifugal force is vector F is equal to plus m omega square vector r. Thank you.